Hey guys, today we have another non-running mower. It does start on starting fluid, so we know we have a fuel delivery problem. This is a simple setup, simple design, very easy to service and maintain. These engines range from 3.5 horsepower all the way up to 5. The cab rebuild kit is available at most hardware stores for around $5, I believe it is. It's a pulsa-jet system. Once we remove the air filter, which is nasty, it's just a case of removing one bolt right here. It's a 1/2-inch bolt, and another one here, and it will remove the fuel tank assembly and the carburetor as one unit away from the mower. So to remove the carburetor, we have these Phillips style screws. There's 5 to remove. Obviously clean around the surface first before removing it. And then once the carburetor is off, you see this one has debris inside the gas tank. So obviously we're going to flush the gas tank out. The gasket just pulls right off. Same too with the filter. And then the spring right here. And the gasket too has 2 pieces, which is very difficult to show you with one hand. But you will just need to take my word for it. Once you are ready to assemble the new gasket, the diaphragm goes on first. And then the cardboard gasket last. Again, this is difficult to do with one hand. New filter goes on, and then the spring, and then it's just a matter of positioning the carburetor back onto the fuel tank and tighten those 5 Phillips head screws down.